Hello dear friends. Let's suppose that you are not happy with the part of a clip that you have used in the timeline and want to replace it. You can replace it with another part of the same file or different one. One of the easiest ways to do it is to use the Match Frame function. In the Edit tab, enable Dual Viewer mode. Move the playhead to the part you want to replace and press the F key. As you can see, the part of the clip that was used in the timeline is displayed in the source viewer. Also, you can see the rest of the clip. Now you just should go to the part you want and then use the Replace button or its shortcut, F11. As you can see, the new part replaces the previous one without messing up the timeline. You can also use another video for this. In Media Pool, double-click on the file you want to open in the source viewer. Go to the part of the clip you want and then replace it. Make sure to place the playhead in the correct location in the timeline. Because the timeline playhead and the source viewer playhead match together. In other words, the frame you see in the timeline viewer will be replaced by the frame you see in the source viewer. So the frames before and after that frame are also replaced. So if you want to change a part from the beginning, place the playhead in the timeline at the beginning of that clip and then do the rest of the steps. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.